Here we have the Libra board powered by a 28 volt AC transformer. We see the red LED on. It's connected to my little test jig. The two LEDs indicate the direction of polarity for the motor. And then the two buttons on the left are the limit switches. That's what they're representing. And then the button on the right is the run stop button wired to the Libra. So when we press the run stop button, we see the motor starts to run and the display shows a number. And if we press the limit switch button, that motor stops running, and we can reset it again by pressing the run stop button, and then it stops. So then pressing the run stop button again causes the opposite LED to turn on, showing the motor is reversing, and then once again we can press the limit switch, which causes that motor to stop. And pressing run start again cancels the move. This board was repaired temporarily with a MOSFET and a power resistor, and so we're going to now make this a permanent part of the board as a repair.